Hey YouTube, I just wanted to make a quick video about living with the Xmaxx. I've had my Xmaxx about a year now. As you can see, I've gone through the first show pretty quick and went to my second already. Yeah, it's about a year I had it, but problem that I keep having over and over again is these splines and gears. They keep breaking all the time. These keep snapping. There's literally teeth missing from these. I think I'm on to like my third set now, although these have all the teeth. It just keeps destroying all these gearing systems. This is one. You see the tooth gone there, and I don't have any aftermarket motors. I don't have any aftermarket parts on it. I mean, I got some belted tires from Pro Comp, but that's really it. So yeah, it's been in the shop now for about 2 weeks, and I just took it back yesterday again because within like 10 minutes it happened again. So I'm definitely looking for some kind of upgrade with these things. So if anybody has any recommendations, leave a comment below. That'd be great. So yeah, and like and subscribe.